KK Squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. We outside.
What's up, KK Squad?
Where are we going? To the fair.
Come on, walk in. You didn't bring this. Come on, we walk.
Oh, he wants a stroller?
I told you. Walk in. Come on. Give me a hand. You want me to hold my hand?
Guys, we heading to the fair.
I'm going on IG Live.
Yes, I want to be on your IG Live. You want to hold my hands? Aww. Look at little kitty. So cute.
I'm going on IG Live.
Oh, shoot. That little car.
You're just going to walk me all the way home.
You still on it? This is my first time at a fair. I've never been to a fair. I have never been to a fair before. Kaden, have you ever been to a fair? It's your first time too? Kaden, that's Mary ride. The kiddies ride. That's for us. The elephant, the puppy, that's our ride, Kaden.
I want the elephant.
Guys, make sure to subscribe to Trini Kimmy. I'm gonna leave her name right here. Go over to our channel and
guys,
yes, comment up, like up, subscribe up, and do all of the good things there.
Yeah, guys, and if I get 20 people to like, share, and comment on the videos that I have posted right now,
Yes.
I'm gonna post some more videos.
Yes.
And put what you guys want to see from me,
Yes.
and I'll make
Yes.
that promise.
And you'll see me in the videos too.
Yep, definitely.
Alright guys, so we finally got inside. One piece of robbery. Online they said it's $25 for kids or something like that, and $35 for adults. Now it's $40 for the kids. Can you believe that? Like, they tell you one thing and then when you reach it's something different. They don't give you the full details on the website, but it is what it is. We're inside. We're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna make the kids enjoy themselves and get their best experience as well. So yeah, as long as they're happy and they're having fun, that's what matters. Wait, where's Kaden? Hi, Kaden. I'm so cute. Wait, you could have went on it with him. It's not his first time on a ride. Oh, it's his first time. You better send a video to Daryl. How did you like the ride? Was it fast?
Up and down.
Up and down. All right. That's good. That's good enough. You just went straight to the point. Oh yeah, this is the one he said he wanted to go.
You want to go on that one?
Let's see if they will let us in. Oh, it's a line. Yeah. They're spinning so fast I can't even see them. I can't see anything at all. Poor Kaden, like, why did I do this to myself? I can't see me now. Like, I really cannot see Kaden at all.
Yeah, because they spin.
Yeah, and then he's so small, like you can't see. Oh, I hear his voice. He's like telling somebody. Kaden, say cheese. Say Spider-Man. Hey. Alright, here goes Larry. There's Gabby. Oh my gosh. She is real life crying right now. I don't know why this is chilling. Oh shoot. Oh hell no.
Sorry, I'm not even screaming.
Yeah, Zari just chilling. Like, listen, I got this.
Yo, my hand just dipped in every time. The smile completely left. She was like this.
Is it the flip? Oh my god.
I want to do that again.
You do it again?
Yeah, miss.
You do not have to press no buttons. All you got to do is hold on to it, okay? Ready? Let's go. Oh, snap. We got one coming in here on 12. And she takes the lead. Alright, right now you look at a medium-sized prize. If you want to play one more time, anything on the joint. Anything on the joint. We got big elephants, big pandas, big raccoons. One more.
So how do you know if you win? Like, how do you know when you win something? Oh, okay. Come, Zari, look at you with your elephant.
It matches.
Yes, that's what I'm saying, if they match.
Alright, buddy. You want to aim right here in the middle, okay?
It's okay, Kaden.
You want to aim right here in the middle.
That's the one that
Oh! Alright, so Kaden gonna try the basketball. Alright, so they play. What's this game called? Oh, they have to throw the ring over the duck. Almost. That was quick. Yeah. Yay, Kaden! This one is called the wind glider. Alright, let's see how this ride goes. You have to lay down flat. It's not working?
mechanical tank.
Alright, thank God, right? Thank God I'm right now. I want to try a funnel cake. There's so many rides over that side and we're only on this side. You don't want to go check them out? Yeah, like they have more stuff over there. So guys, this is the pit. Jamaican food truck. I feel like I want to try something off this. So they have mango strawberry lemonade. So try that with some crab and cheese, which is like mac and cheese, and I'm gonna get some barbecue wings and fries. So I'm just here waiting. Guys, so we got some food. I don't want to drop. Whoa, that looks nice. Oh, thank you so much. Yes. Alright, so I got me some funnel cake. So I call this my first time trying it. we are leaving the fair. Like I was saying, guys, we are leaving the fair. That is it for the night. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell if you want to be notified when I post videos. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye. Say bye, guys.